Yo, what's up, homies? Welcome to your daily edition of Getting Street Smart in Mexican Spanish. Simply put, chido means something good, high quality, impressive, or cool.
Chafa, on the other hand, is something bad, low quality, lame, wack.
Right, let's show you how it's done. Let's say that a friend treats you to Taco Tuesday,
Definitely Chido.
but there's no salsa in the bag.
Man, Chafa.
And what happens if you buy yourself a cell phone in a big sale,
Yeah, that's Chido.
but you break the charger after just 1 week?
Man, I hate that. That's Chafa.
And you book yourself a beach holiday after a year and a half,
Man, that's Chido.
but when you get there, it rains all the time.
Man, mega Chafa.
See, he's got it. Chido por ti, homie. That's all for today, homies. You're now a little bit more street smart in Mexican Spanish. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for a fresh video and keep it up with your daily Memrise lesson.